Hey, this is Dr. Winfield with Winfield Dental Group. I'm here at Smile Design Implant Centers. We had one of our patients, Ted, just finished treatment with him, and he's going to kind of let us know why he came in and how his experience was.
Well, I had two different dentists told me a tooth way in the back that they couldn't do anything with it. They couldn't add to it or anything because it wasn't big enough. So they just stuffed it with some kind of gummy stuff back there and let it go. I came to Dr. Whitfield and he took one look at it and he says, I can fix that. And he did. Now I have complete teeth over here. Now I can chew all my food up the way I'm supposed to.
Awesome.
Thank you, Dr. Whitfield.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate
Appreciate it very
You're the
much.
man.
Yes, you're okay.
Thank you so much for the gift,
Thank you.
too. Appreciate
Yes.
it.